So if you have been following my channel, you would know that I very recently, close to about 2 months ago, bought up a video on the TurtleWax headlight lens restorer kit. And in that video, I had specifically shown you how you can apply this on your old and yellowish turned headlights and turn them into clear ones, just like how you would have bought a car from the showroom. And it worked quite well, straight up within like a matter of 10 minutes. Turned my yellow headlights into crystal clear headlights, and it worked like a charm. But many of you had some apprehensions that it might not last long, maybe about a few days or maybe a week or two, and kind of go back to the old yellowish look. So I had promised to every single one of you to bring out a long-term review of this lens restorer kit, and it's been about 2 months now since I've applied this, and after using it for 2 months, here is my quick take. There has been no change since 2 months, which means the headlights are still crystal clear. Not even a single yellow line is back on the glass. That's a great thing, and I'm really impressed with this TurtleWax headlight lens restorer kit. I mean, the video you're seeing right now was just shot today, and just look at those headlights. Crystal clear, just as good as the car if was bought from the showroom right today. But about 2 months ago, the right side headlight was like totally yellowish. The left side one was like partly yellow. So more or less both the headlights were completely worn out, time tested, and kind of had a completely old look, but they are still holding well. And this is in spite of the fact that the car has been washed twice or thrice in a matter of 2 to 3 months. I mean, I even took a video while the car was getting washed. It has been rubbed on the glass, the soap has been applied, but the lens restorer kit has worked a big magic on the glass. It hasn't worn out, the effect hasn't worn out, it's still looking good. And more importantly, my night visibility has improved to a great extent. My headlight is looking now much brighter, has a good throw. I mean, I'm able to properly see the road when I'm driving during night time, because the lens is now, should I say, because the glass is very clear now. So if you are someone who has a yellow headlights and who wants to turn them into a clear ones within a matter of 10 minutes and who wants to do it for a long duration, not for like a day or two or a week, the TurtleWax headlight lens restorer, coming in at a price of less than 1000 rupees. Do mind that it's a kind of a cheap product for the kind of effect this brings out. You should definitely go ahead and grab this product right now. The purchase link is given right down below in the description. But if you're someone who is using this for the first time, who wants to know how exactly to apply this on your headlight and what are the precautions to take, you can watch my previous video on the headlight lens restorer. I mean, I'll even give you a link for that video in the description as well. So do make sure to check out that video for the detailed usage and how exactly it converted my yellow headlights into clear ones. But if you're already convinced about it and you are just waiting for a long-term review, you don't need to wait any longer. Go ahead and get this right now. This has simply a magical effect on the headlights, and even after 2 months, it's still holding well. Of course, I'll bring out one more long-term review probably after 6 months of usage to show you the kind of difference it had from the beginning and after the 6 months. Of course, you can watch that as well, but based on my initial impressions, based on my initial observation, I think it is going to last for a long duration of time, and I probably won't have to like redo the thing, maybe at least for a year or probably even more. So go ahead, grab this headlight lens restorer kit right now. Get yourself those clear headlights, get yourself those good looking headlights which gives you that great visibility during night drives. See you in the next one.